Now, sadness and shock has gripped members of the track and field fraternity following the shooting death of Calabar High School coach Nicholas Neufville. More in this report. Neufville, who was in charge of the jumps program at multiple-time high school champions Calabar, was described as one of the bright young prospects in coaching. Principal of GC Foster College, where Neufville honed his coaching skills, Maurice Wilson, says the former national representative was a star in the making.
He was one of our best coaches, both in the long and the triple jump. He coached at the high school level, but his skills and his skill sets could have taken him anywhere. And, he became a part of that cadre of coaches that would have traveled with the junior teams over the years. And there were great expectations for him moving forward.
Calabar High School principal Albert Corcho says he was still in shock when TVJ Sports caught up with him earlier on Monday.
But he wasn't just a coach. He is, one of those youngsters who, in addition to being coaching, he was a mentor to a number of our students, especially those who are involved in the track and field. And we're saddened at this time. It came as a shocker to us. Not too sure what happened, but we are trying now to get some support for our young men, especially those involved in the track and field and the entire school fraternity.
National shot put thrower Jason Dads Morgan was close friends with Neufville.
Words can't put together. He has been my best friend since 9 years old. We do everything together. We go everywhere together. This really, really hard.
And the J3's president Garth Gale described him as a hard worker.
Served at the national junior level as a coach with character teams, and now the new legacy track club that has been formed. To have lost such a talent is a very, very sad situation. Jamaica has lost a stalwart as young as he was.
The 38-year-old former athlete was also a member of the newly formed Legacy Athletics track club.